What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today I want to talk about a really exciting opportunity that no one is talking about. This company has that 10x potential. So why is this the case? Well, because it's in a very hot sector, it has a market cap of only 90 million and earnings grew by 245% over the past year. Investing in this company is like investing in Robinhood if it was a publicly traded company. Right, so without further ado, the company that we're talking about today is called Group Holding Ltd. Ticker symbol LGHL. Now you want to stick around till the end of the video because that's how you'll know just how big of a potential this company has. Group Holding Ltd is an all-in-one financial trading platform focused on Chinese investors. They're also now expanding into the crypto space. On January 12th, LGHL announced that it will acquire 100% of Line Fintech Group Limited for an amount to be agreed upon, with a definitive agreement expected to be signed by March 31st, 2021. Through its subsidiary, Royal Line Middle East DMCC, Line Fintech holds a proprietary trading license for crypto assets in Dubai. LGHL management expects the acquisition to close in the first quarter of 2021. Royal Line Middle East holds its proprietary trading license with Dubai Multi-Commodities Center and functions as a central counterparty in the crypto asset market. Upon expected completion of the acquisition, LGHL clients will have access to trade legal tender cryptocurrencies under regulated conditions, ensuring safe transactions. Royal Line Middle East is the only license holder with DMCC that supports fiat currency, which, following the acquisition, will provide LGHL clients with an efficient and secure platform to exchange fiat currencies with cryptocurrencies. Now what's more is that the earnings grew by 245% over the past year, which is crazy growth, and it's currently trading 99% below its fair value. Check this out. Now this is insane. They're saying that the fair value for this stock is around $506. Now, I'm not sure if I agree with the share price of $506, but I do have a price target of $50, which is still 10x from where the share price is currently at right now, which is at $5. Now, another positive thing that I like about this company, in addition to the crazy amount of growth ahead, is that it has a strong balance sheet. The debt to equity ratio currently stands at 6.4%, which is considered satisfactory. Next, when you look at the ownership breakdown over here, you'll see that 55.8% of the shares are held by individual insiders, and only 1.1% is held by institutions. So clearly right now, not a lot of people know about this company. When I do a quick scan on Yahoo Finance, I can see that there's only 120 reactions on the conversation section and only 5,000 people are following this stock on StockTwits. What I find really interesting here is that yesterday there were only around 4,000 people watching this stock, so if we keep seeing an increase of 1,000 people a day on StockTwits, soon this stock will get discovered by the masses and then it'll have a massive pop in my opinion. Now, what's the bottom line with this stock? The fact that this company is so undervalued presents an exciting opportunity. All penny stocks are risky. Penny stocks that belong to Chinese companies are even riskier. However, if you're willing to take a bet on a penny stock, make sure you're happy with the risk to reward ratio and that you have a plan set in place. My plan for this stock is to take profits along the way, all the way up to my $50 price target. Anyways guys, that's it from me. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.